911 emergency, Houston, 13570. Do you need police, fire, or medical? Hello, 911. What happened?
I need an ambulance right away.
Okay, let me get them on the line. Don't hang up. Don't hang up. Have your address ready, ma'am.
No!
Fire, that's what is the address of your emergency?
Okay, the ambulance is on the line.
What is the address of the emergency?
No!
Ma'am. I think this is the address we have here. Ma'am, are you on Timber Willow? Ma'am.
No!
Ma'am? Are you on Timber Willow? What's your address?
You got the soap. The knife.
Ma'am, what's the address? FD, I'll take it over. Ma'am, what's going on?
Ma'am.
Did somebody get stabbed? Ma'am, did he stab himself? Okay, all right, we're getting help out to you. Just hang on.
Adams, what kind of door's on the front? What kind of door's on the front? What kind of door is it? Come on outside.